Remote fuel supply pumps. 1. Close the inlet piping valve to the day tank. 2. Check that the overflow pipe is open to provide a return flow path back to the day tank. 3. Check that the remote fuel supply pump is primed with fuel and ready for operation in the automatic mode. 4. Energize the fuel system controller. Confirm that the remote fuel pump is ready to deliver fuel to the day tank. Confirm that the day tank inlet solenoid valve is energized to open. 5. Confirm that the day tank inspection port is available to observe fuel levels in the day tank. 6. Open the manual valve at the day tank inlet to allow fuel flow into the tank. 7. Record the tank level at which the critical low-level alarm ceases. Then record the tank level at which the low-level alarm ceases. 8. Monitor the fuel flow into the day tank until the fill stop level is reached. Record the tank level for a fill stop. Confirm that the inlet solenoid valve closes and that the remote fuel supply pumps are stopped. 9. Perform additional requirements under testing. 1. Prime the suction line. Remove the threaded plug on the pump inlet piping and fill the piping with diesel fuel. Reinstall the threaded plug. Operate the pump for 60 seconds max. Observe the inlet and outlet gauges to confirm pump rotation and eliminate any remaining air from the suction piping. A fully primed suction pipe shows a steady vacuum gauge reading on the pump inlet. 2. Open all inlet and outlet valves and confirm there is a clear flow path from the fuel source to the destination. 3. Manually start pump to confirm pump prime. Operate the pump for 60 seconds maximum. Observe the inlet and outlet gauges to confirm pump rotation and eliminate any remaining air from the suction pumping. A fully primed suction pipe shows a steady vacuum gauge reading on the pump inlet. 4. If the pump still does not deliver, the cause may be one or more of the following. A. Suction line air leaks or obstructions. B. Suction tube or foot valve and tank is not installed. C. Suction lift is too great or the suction piping is too small. D. Anti-siphon or check valve setting in suction line is excessive. 5. Adjust pressure relief valve to required setting. Adjust the pump pressure relief valve to the maximum design pressure of the system. Remove the cap from the valve and adjust the spring bolt. The valve adjustment should result in the pump being able to operate against closed discharge valves without overload trip to the motor. 6. Check pressure and vacuum operating ranges. Confirm the vacuum and pressure gauge readings are in conformance with the design requirements. 7. Check for leaks and correct any loose flanges or threaded fittings. 8. Check motor starter overload settings. Confirm the motor starter overload settings match the full load amps indicated on the pump motor. 9. Clean inlet strainer. Close the inlet valve to isolate the strainer. Remove the threaded plug. Clean any debris from the strainer screen. Fuel supply to engine. Use a vacuum pump to prime the fuel piping and remove all air from the day tank to the engine connection.